Manipur Hariba State asi transparency leitaba amadi corrupt tawriba officers singbu chairak pitaba amadi majority fangdana government asi chalaiduna leiba adugumlaba state amani haina AICC Manipur gi in-charge Bhakta Charan Das na phongdokre Wafum asing asi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na sinduna sarkar taribra haiba scheme ama launch tawbagi thoram amata phongdokibani mahakna makha taraduna Manipur praja miyamgi freedom of speech su athingba kaya leibana wakat pham leitriba asi sarkar taribara haiba program asida miyamna wakat pa yaragani haike Manipur Hariba State asi transparency leitaba amadi corrupt tawriba officer singbu chairak pitaba amadi majority fangdana government asi chalaiduna leiba adugumlaba state amani haike Mahakna makha taraduna Manipur praja miyamgi freedom of speech su athingba kaya leibana wakat pham leitriba asi sarkar taribra haiba program asida miyamna wakat pa yaragani haina su haike
Manipulated for the government and with power 12 MLAs are disqualified since long still they are running with the government they have no moral value to be in the government by virtue of the support of the central government, their party government, BJP government, they are running this government. Otherwise, any moral person would have resigned for the government. But now they are running the government without any majority. They have no moral value. 12 have been disqualified long back by the Honorable High Court. By muscles, using muscles, by dictatorial attitude, they are running this government. And if they will speak of freedom for the people, expression of the people. I believe the people of Manipur really understand the situation of the governance and the present government ruled by BJP somehow or other, not by the mandate of the people.
Congress Vavan the Pangtokiba Thoramaduda MPCC ki President MLA and Loken Vice President ki AS Devabarta MPCC ki General Secretary Haryasor Gosami amadi MPCC ki Maroi Bamiyoi kyana sarugya ke Thorongi makha tarakpada ki AS Devabarta na phongdokibada CM ki Go to Village Go to Hills amadi CM da High C hariba scheme sing asi karai phauba miyam da kanarabagi haibadu opposition ki party amadi Manipur praja miyam na Khangnanabagidamak sarkar taribra haiba scheme asi launch tawbani masida praja miyamna CM da haikiba natraga CM na tabidaba wakat khudingmak mobile number 8696969211 asida complaint tawba yagani haike complaint tawrakpa matamda miyoy adugi masak maming leifam amadi akupa marol taktho oi haina su haike
asi rule of law na chapaleba mane habi kai da mugi da mukta Congress party na koi sarkar chief minister na tawur se sarkar haibus di constitution na pir du sarkar ko weba constitution gi matung ina leiba sarkar sina tari bra haidi sarkar na khangabra chief secretary khangabra my department jing khangabra department jing chief koi gi CM da high si haibu phone tawraga mi kya na tawgre aduga phone tawgi matung ina kanadam pitha karge kari tawgre habse ekoi khangning ne maramdi ekoi being the principal opposition ekoi hak ne maramdi praja gi interest ne aduna sarkar na akhang kanam ta khangan balai tarbanina ekoi ne digital platform mo puthoye develop tawjare maduni sarkar taribra sarkar haibse chief minister du nate constitutional link government of Manipur भारत की मनुंगले बाय स्टेट सरकार से सिना तारिब्रा मेचिन सिना तारिब्रा सिस्टम सिना तारिब्रा ने कोई हंगजरी बने कोई ना हंगदोरी बस की डिटेल सी कोई सिगुंबा कोई केनोमा कोई लिपलेट मा कोई पिजा गनी